have this question, we're told to find the missing numbers in the sequence. Here, this is missing. First one, and the second one is missing. We've got the third one, which is 14. We've got the fourth one, which is 21. We have a 29, and we have a 38. Now, if you observe these numbers, you will realize that the numbers are decreasing steadily. So here we've got a 38 and decreased to a 29 and went further down to 21 and 17. And I believe that this one should be smaller than 14. And I believe that this one should go lower than 14 and the number just before it. Good. Okay, let's look into the solution to this question. Now, to get the answer, we will be using the drop method. We're going to take these two numbers to start with. Let's tidy up first. This one out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. Now here, we got 38 and 29. What is happening here? Let's subtract and see. We got 38 and we got 29. And if we subtract, borrow 1, that is an 18. 18 minus 9, that's a 9. So we have a 9. So it's going down by 9. It's dropping by 9. That's first instance here. And then the second one, which is this one here. So we're going to compare this two. This two here. Good. Now that is 29 and 31. 29 and 31, that's by how many? Wait a minute. If we take 21 out of 29, that's going to be 8. Okay, this is 8. So we can see that there's a pattern here. The first one was 9. And then the next one is 8. I think the next one is going to be 7. Let's just check that out and see whether it is 7. If we take a 14 out of a 21, 21 minus a 14, we're going to be left with a what? That's going to be a 7. Oh, marvelous. Okay, so here, if we take 14 out of a 21, we're going to be left with a 7. So we can see that there's a pattern. Oh, there's a pattern. So we have 9. We have 9 here. 9 went down to 8, went down to 7. I think the next one is going to be 6, and then 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Okay, good. So let's go. So that means here we're going to have, if we take whatever this number is, we take it out of 14, which is here, we should have a difference of 6. But we have to check and confirm. It should be 6, because if this is 9 and this is 8 and this is 7, this has got to be 6. And then this one here has got to be 5. Between these two should be 5. Okay, this should be 5. Oh, there should be an arrow here. Okay, good. This should be 5. Okay, so let's make it consistent. Okay, good. This should be 6 there. Good. Now let's see what we will do. Now, okay, so let's see. So that means we need to deduct 6 from 14. Let's see. What did we do here? We took 9. We took it out of 38. We got 29. Good. So if we take 9 out of 38, we're going to get 29. Good. Yeah. Good. Now, that is sorted. If we take 8 out of 29, we're going to get 21. Beautiful. Okay. Now, if we take 7 out of 21, we're going to get 14. Okay. And if we take 6, if we take 6 out of 14, that should give us an 8. Excellent. And if we take a 5 out of an 8, we should get a 3. Excellent. Good. Okay, now let's tidy up and see what we've got. Now, if we remove this and this, okay, and then look at it again. If we add a 5, to this 3, it should give us an 8, which is what we've got here. If we add a 6 to the 8, that should give us 14, which is what we got here. If we add a 7 to the 14, that should give us a 21. That's what we have here. Okay, if we add an 8 to this 21, and that should give us a 29, which is what we have here. And if we add a 9 to the 29, that should give us a 38. Beautiful. So we could see that a number is being deducted, is being dropped. So when you drop a number and the number is in a steady format, from 5 and then 1 to 6 and then 7 and 8 and 9, and we could see that, it's 30, and that will give you your answer. Okay, let's tidy up. Good. Okay, we remove this. Beautiful. This goes, and this goes, and this goes, and this goes, and then we're left with this. Okay. So for this question, give the missing numbers in the sequence. The answer is 3 and 8. Beautiful.